Struggling to unwind, fall asleep, or wake up feeling refreshed? Your bedroom is about to get a serious high-tech glow-up. These AI-powered sleep essentials adjust, track, and personalize your rest so you can drift off faster and wake up better. You'll find all the links in the description below. Experience music and restful sleep in one with these Bluetooth sleep headphones. The soft, stretchy headband fits comfortably over your head while keeping hair and sweat in check, perfect for workouts, yoga, or travel. Ultra-thin stereo speakers deliver clear, balanced sound, and the built-in mic ensures you never miss a call. Long-lasting battery life keeps tunes playing for hours, making relaxation, meditation, and sleep effortless wherever you are. Add a touch of warmth and style anywhere with this portable table lamp. Its adjustable LED glow lets you set the perfect brightness for relaxing evenings, cozy dinners, or focused work. Rechargeable and cordless, it lasts up to 9.5 hours on full brightness and moves easily from your nightstand to a patio or coffee table. With 2 dimming modes, it doubles as a soft ambient light or a flickering candle-like charm. Say goodbye to restless nights with this smart anti-snore pillow. Its intelligent positioning gently aligns your head and neck to keep airways open, reducing snoring while supporting proper spinal alignment. Adjustable height and memory foam construction let you customize comfort for side, back, or stomach sleeping. Track your sleep and snoring patterns through the companion app and wake up feeling refreshed, supported, and ready to start the day. Transform your sleep with this smart mattress system. Each side of the bed gets personalized cooling and heating, so hot and cold, sleepers can rest in harmony. Track your sleep and health with precise sensors, wake up naturally with gentle vibrations, and reduce snoring automatically. Optional add-ons like a temperature-controlled blanket and pillow cover extend comfort from head to toe, while a central hub keeps everything connected without needing your phone. Beat the heat anywhere you go. This portable evaporative fan cools and humidifies the air using water, perfect for your desk, car, or tent. Just fill the tank, plug it in, and enjoy up to 8 hours of fresh, chilled air. Its compact design makes it easy to move from room to room or take on the go. The advanced fibrous structure maximizes evaporation, giving a powerful, refreshing breeze exactly where you need it. Hot nights? Cold feet? This bed cooling system puts total control in your hands. The mesh pad keeps your bed at your ideal temperature, from cool to warm, all night long. Use the minimalist control unit or handy remote to adjust without leaving the covers. It fits any mattress size, even adjustable beds, and the topper is machine washable for easy cleaning. With 0 EMFS in the pad, you get comfort that's safe, simple, and perfectly tuned to you. Your AC just got a brain. This smart controller lets you adjust your air conditioner or heat pump from anywhere using your phone, voice, or smart home assistant. Setup takes seconds. Just scan a QR code and you're ready. It can even save energy by learning your schedule and adjusting automatically. With geofencing, climate control, and easy scheduling, your home stays comfy year-round without lifting a finger. Wake up without the jolt of a regular alarm. This smart alarm clock combines gentle wake-up lights, over 100 soothing sleep sounds, and a Bluetooth speaker in one sleek bedside device. Its 2-phase alarm starts softly and then gradually gets louder, so you wake up refreshed, not startled. Blackout mode keeps the screen and lights off while still sounding the alarm, perfect for light-sensitive sleepers. Set it up with the app, then use it offline every day. No Wi-Fi needed for peaceful sleep and easy mornings. Sleep at home. Sleep on the road. No compromises. This smart white noise bundle gives you rich, natural fan sound that isn't looped, so it feels steady and real all night. You can set schedules in the app to build a bedtime routine your brain quickly recognizes. The portable unit runs on a rechargeable battery for travel, camping, or power outages. By day, it even works as a Bluetooth speaker. By night, it blocks distractions with smooth, adjustable sound. Snoring partner? Street noise? Racing thoughts? These ultra-thin sleep headphones help you drift off without distractions. Designed for side sleepers, the slim earbuds sit flat and stay comfortable all night. They block noise passively like earplugs, then add soft masking sounds to cover sudden disturbances. Built-in biometric sensors track how long and how well you sleep, sending insights and tips to the companion app. Your audio fades automatically as you fall asleep, so you wake up rested right where you left off. Your room shouldn't just look good, it should feel good too. This ultrasonic diffuser fills your space with pure essential oil mist. No heat involved, so the scent stays natural and powerful. It releases negative ions that help freshen the air while running whisper quiet in the background. Choose between different timer settings and an optional soft LED glow to match your mood. With its smooth ceramic cover, it doubles as decor while you simply relax and breathe. Too hot, too cold, never just right. This climate comfort system blows cooling or warming air directly into your bed, so you control the temperature instead of fighting with blankets. The powered airflow pulls away body heat and moisture, helping you stay dry and comfortable all night. Switch to heat mode and you'll feel deep, sauna-like warmth in seconds, faster and safer than traditional electric blankets. You can even program different temperatures for each hour using the remote or app. Your bed just became the smartest spot in the house. This interactive smart bed blends Italian design with built-in wellness, entertainment, and health features. You can enjoy soft lighting, relaxing fragrances, massage functions, and immersive sound without leaving your mattress. An integrated screen and projector turn your room into a private theater in seconds. It even tracks your sleep, monitors air quality and temperature, and lets you check everything from a companion app each morning. Your air shouldn't just look clean, it should actually be clean. This advanced air purifier refreshes large rooms, even busy spaces with constant foot traffic. Its multi-layer system uses a HEPA filter to trap tiny particles and an activated carbon layer to absorb odors and smoke. It's cleared to destroy viruses, bacteria, and mold, helping you breathe with confidence. With smart app tracking, you can monitor air quality and filter life right from your phone. Big windows deserve better than basic curtains. These sliding panel blinds give you smooth coverage for glass doors, closets, or even as a stylish room divider. The natural woven fabric filters light gently, cutting glare while still keeping your space bright and open. An adjustable track extends to fit different widths, and you can trim the height for a custom look. Cordless and easy to glide, they're clean, modern, and effortless to use every day. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.